In today's video, I'm going to teach you create a perfect bullet journal, bujo, in OneNote by mimicking the analog system's index, logs, and collections digitally, using sections, hyperlinks, tables, and infinite canvas for flexibility. We'll start by setting up the notebook so everything syncs and stays organized. Create a new notebook named Bujo 2025 and save it to OneDrive by going to File, then New. Saving to the cloud keeps your journal accessible across devices. Next, add the core sections that mirror the analog system: index, future log, monthly logs, daily logs, collections, and templates. To make navigation intuitive at a glance, right-click each section and choose a section color. Consistent colors for time-based sections versus reference sections make scanning super fast. Let's build the essentials. In the index section, create the first page and insert a simple two-column table with page name and link. As you create new pages throughout the year, right-click any page, choose Copy Link to Page, and paste it into the index. This becomes your master navigator, so you can jump anywhere instantly. In the future log, insert a 2x6 table to represent the 12 months. Use each cell to capture key tasks and events that are coming up. When a new month begins, migrate anything unfinished to that month's page so nothing is lost. For each monthly log, create a page with a table listing days 1 through 31, then add a task list below. Use checkboxes via home tags to do to keep track of what's done. This gives you a clean monthly overview and a focused action area in one place. For daily logs, add a new page per day or use a weekly page if you prefer batching. Rapid log using simple bullets, a dash for tasks, an open circle. For events, a dash for notes, an exclamation mark for important items, and an asterisk for priority. When something moves forward, strike it through and add a greater than sign to mark it as migrated. Collections are where your bujo becomes powerful. Create trackers with tables for habits using columns like date, sleep, water, and exercise. Build book lists, goal maps, or project notes as needed. For custom spreads, insert tables or use the Draw tab to sketch grids and set images as background for stable headers. OneNote's infinite canvas lets you expand freely without running out of space. Finally, design reusable pages such as a weekly review, then save them via Insert Page Templates, Save Current Page. This keeps your layouts consistent and fast to reuse. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more OneNote tips and tutorials.